Welcome. In front of me I have the Fun silicone case for the AirPods 3 Pro, and I'll be going over unboxing of this seemingly AliExpress dropshipping case, along with a test fit and just my general opinion of it. Okay, so let's get into it. Now this might be a little bit... No, actually it comes off pretty easily. There we go. So I am using right now a case on here. So this is was a Spigen one. Anyway, let's grab this. I actually might not have grabbed the 3 Pro, but let's see. Oh no, the case is the same. Okay, I don't think this is actually 3 Pro, to be completely fair. I think this is a previous generation, but the shape is the same, so it shouldn't have any problems. Now, with what we get in the box, we have this weird little cleaning tool, so you can like get in there. You also have this kind of like a fuzzy cotton ball almost kind of thing. This part is rubber. Now I want to point out, I'm just kind of talking about this, but this is what you usually get with most of the drop-shipped cases like this. They all include this. It's just AliExpress special. You know, they're trying to incentivize you picking up this, so there's more things added into it than just a case, but it, in reality, is just pretty cheap. Here's another thing. The carabiner, it just feels like absolute crap. And this is exactly the same one as I've seen for multiple different cases from supposedly multiple different companies. But yeah, it's the same. It's literally the same thing. And this as well. Now the case itself is actually made out of a thicker portion of silicone right here, so that's pretty good. And it's connected with this strip of silicone right here, so you don't lose this. But you can see there's no glue up here or anything like that to hold the top portion. Now if we slide this in, you can see it is a little bit kind of finicky. You can see it slides a little bit in here, which is one of the things that I've seen with these cases specifically. They are sometimes you need a little bit repositioning, and you have it up here. So this is a little bit of a different size. So yeah, I grabbed the wrong AirPods, to be completely fair, because these are a bit smaller, as you can see. So this falls a little bit too deep in there. So if I push it out just a little bit, this is more like how it's supposed to be. So in general, it seems like it's just a difference of a depth of how tall the case itself is, meaning the AirPods themselves, not the silicone one. And obviously for 3 Pro this should be perfect. And the top portion actually holds better than I expected for a cheap AliExpress case. You can see it. I think the part of it is that this is kind of like a smooth silicone, so it almost acts like a glue to this. So you can see it holds pretty well. Now I do want to clarify this. It's not something that will be happening for a prolonged period of time, so you will need to probably clean that off sometime, as dirt will eventually get under there, dust and stuff like that, and whatever you have in your pockets. And when it does, obviously this won't be sticking too well to it anymore, and at that point it's just going to be just easily sliding off. Now the positive of that is it's still attached right here, so even if it slides off you won't really lose it. But yeah, at that point you will need to clean this area off, and it should be good enough. For a cheap AliExpress case, this one I would say is one of the better feeling ones, which, you know, it has a bit more silicone right here, a bit more protection. This doesn't seem like literally the thinnest portion of silicone I have ever seen, to the point that I can see through it. I had a case like that. And general, for probably a couple bucks that this cost, it's not that bad. Now there are better ones if you spend more. For instance, something like the Spigen ones right here. These are about like what, 15 bucks or so. So they're not that expensive, I would say. and this one will be much more durable. As you can see, this is like a bit hard of a silicone plastic mixture with a carabiner. So this obviously will be a bit better for protecting your AirPods, but this all in all, not bad for AliExpress. And whatever it says right here, you can most likely find the same thing, exactly the same, with different branding. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. Well, anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.